Oh. Hi, my name is Greg Daniel T. Sr. and I will be feeding stray dogs for 5 days straight. Hi everyone, my name is Greg Daniel T. Sr. and as you know, I've been feeding dogs for 5 days straight. And what I learned from this experience is, or what I saw in this experience too, as you can see in the video, how those dogs wag their tail, the compassion in their eyes while you lay down your meal, and how they just give you their trust to eat that meal you put there. And I guess it's just pretty heartwarming to see those dogs eat it, to give them a chance to survive. And I've seen this project as a grades for grades, but as the days goes by, I keep getting this feeling of compassion to these dogs because each day each days that you I gave them food, my goal just became not for grades but as an act of kindness. And hopefully I advocate this to other students to do it, not only for the days but to keep continuing giving these creatures a chance to survive one meal at a time for an act of kindness. That's all. So once again, my name is Greg Daniel T. Sr. I am from BestLink, a psychology student, and that's all. Bye.